In this video, I'm going to share about Mahindra Manulife Balanced Advantage Yojana. It's not fund, it's Yojana. That is a different naming convention what Mahindra Manulife is following. So this is a balanced advantage fund. Apart from the naming convention, all the remaining things are almost same. It's a balanced advantage fund category. I'm going to share more about this in today's video. Hi, hello, this is Ganesh Santru, your stock market profit coach and author of the book Money Leaks, one page mutual fund plan and one page stock market plan. And I'm going to share about this Mahindra Manulife Balanced Advantage Fund Yojana. The 100% allocation is going to be in equity and debt, nothing else. And why they are launching this fund right now? Because the market is almost valuations are very high. That's what the common talk is all about. Because market has reached 60,000 points and it's hovering around that. And what the new virus threat and everything is happening. What if the correction is coming in? This fund is there because 50% might be in equity and remaining 50% will be in debt portion. So that is the difference what this fund is going to provide, and that is the stability you will get in the portfolio based on the market condition. It can be 50 to 80% in debt or 50 to 80% in equity, right? So in this scenario, whatever the market condition, these guys does the analysis and they will do know in advance. So when you can invest, the NFO period is from December 9 to 23rd, and I think once in December 31st to over, by January first week it will be open up for open offer. If you want to invest in NFO, this is the fund you can look at investing. And equity based on valuations, I'm going to show you the framework what Mahindra Manulife has been following for equity funds, and the debt based on lead lag indicator. Like what is the liquidity available inside the market, like what is RBI deciding and what they are implementing, based on that it is going to be there. And so based on that, I'm going to show you this proprietary framework. This is what Mahindra Manulife is following: the growth management, cash flow generation and valuation. Based on this top down and bottom up analysis, they are going to invest in equity market. And for debt funds, they are going to choose based on the RBI interest rate, which are the lead lag indicator. Right now, they didn't do based on the December quarter repo rates. RBI didn't do any changes. Based on that, they would have decided what should be the debt portion. So this is what they are going to follow, and it's going to be simple fun. If you are interested, if you are not invested in any of the balanced advantage fund, please go on out for this NFO. If you're already opted and if you're already staying invested in any of the balanced advantage fund, maybe you can increase your portion and you don't need to add this to your kitty if you're already holding something. And if you're having something in equities and all these things, and if you're thinking of investing for a long time, and if you're asking any of your friends to invest in mutual funds, this is the fund you should start with. Because looking at the market condition, because market is high, and in the next 2 to 3 years, if you're getting a positive returns, it can happen in this kind of fund. And all the balanced advantage fund, as I say, you don't need to be too risky. It's a moderate fund, and if you feel that you're a moderate investor, you're a conservative investor, to get better returns, to get around 10 to 12%, this kind of balanced advantage category will do. And it's also called as dynamic asset allocation category. So it goes by two names: balanced advantage or dynamic asset allocation. And this expense ratio in this fund maximum is around 2.25 to 2.5%. And once the fund size increases, it comes down, it drops down to less than 2% or 1.5%. And choice is yours. If you want to go for direct, that is also possible. So can you invest in this fund? Yes, you can invest. If you are not invested in balanced advantage category, don't invest for the sake of adding up one more fund. Okay, because most of the questions I see is that should I add? I already have a large cap, mid cap, small cap, global fund, balanced fund, all these things, right? So many NFOs are coming, so many funds are coming up. And if you are not invested, opt for this, or else please share this video with your friends who has not yet invested in mutual funds, so that they can use this fund to start their investment in mutual funds. So thank you for watching. Please share it, share your reviews, and share this video with your friends too. Thank you.